On Wednesday, there was a major development in Oregon's gun control measure 114. It's been on hold for more than 2 years since voters approved it in November 2022 with a slim 50.7% majority of the vote. Today, the Oregon Court of Appeals overturned a Harney County judge's ruling and found that the measure was facially constitutional, meaning the language and text of the measure adheres to the state constitution. And the court called the regulations a reasonable, quote, legislative response to identified public concerns, unquote. The three main provisions of the bill require a permit to buy a gun. They ban magazines that hold 10 or more rounds of ammunition, and they require background checks be completed before a transfer or sale of a gun is done. Two gun owners in Harney County had challenged the measure in 2022, and a Harney County judge, Robert Rashio, hope I'm pronouncing that right, blocked the measure, and it was never allowed to go into effect. The Harney County judge found that all the provisions violated the state constitution's right to bear arms. Now, attorney Tony Aiello, who represented the gun owners in Harney County, today pledged to appeal the Court of Appeals ruling. He claimed that the Oregon judiciary had just erased Oregonians' right to bear arms. Now, the measure won't go into effect. The attorney for the gun owners has 35 days to petition the Oregon Supreme Court to review the case. The Oregon Supreme Court can either take up the review, in which case the injunction blocking the measure will likely remain in effect until the Oregon Supreme Court can issue its own ruling, or the Oregon Supreme Court can decide not to review it, and that would ultimately give a green light for the measure to take effect. Meanwhile, lawmakers are considering a bill that would tweak a few provisions of the measure to better clarify how the regulations would take effect. You can read more at OregonLive.com.